Oh dear, my goodness. Guys, please don't send me anything right now. I'm really overwhelmed. There are simply too many packages.
Take a
I
turn
can't
and
carry
find
them
it
all.
back to plant.
The whole trunk is full. Let's open one and see what it is. What problem did the digital camera encounter? The camera is not working. It's too disappointing. Test the motor for it. It can only move this little bit. The motor and gearbox have no issues here. This cannot be turned. It gets stuck here. There's no problem when rotating it after taking it off. The protruding part has been worn down. It cannot slide smoothly in the track. Then we found that once the protruding part entered the chute, the outer slot couldn't fit in. They were misaligned, and it felt like it had been disassembled before and reinstalled incorrectly. So it took more than an hour adjusting its position.
储存密码。